Hello, guess what? We're going to draw a winner for the, why do I keep forgetting the name of this canvas? But it's Broken Heart Hollow. The canvas name is Broken Heart Hollow by EnaMorte. And we have 5 names that are up for grabs for this canvas. So we're going to see who is going to take this canvas home. We shall see. Okay, my phone is on silent. It is not now. I want to see if we can hear the wheel. Okay. All right, here we go. Now it's working. So let us pick another. Let's shuffle. Okay. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. And now we're going to see who wins. Here we go. Come on. It looks like number 5. Congratulations, number 5. And number 5 is, let me circle it for you, Marissa Morales. Marissa Morales, please contact me because I do not have your email. So you will need to contact me. pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. I need your address, and then we will talk about payment of shipment. Congratulations, Marissa. I hope you all have a great day, and there will be another canvas in a few minutes. What will the next one be? I can't wait. It's beautiful. Okay. You all have a good day. I'm Pampered with Diamonds. I like it a lot. And be kind to everyone you meet.